We are very honored to have hosted this big event under the umbrella of ACEM. We have around 1,300 participants joining us from across the world and of course across the UAE. We are humbly happy and honored to have hosted such a big event.
In ACEM 2025, people from around the world, people of emergency medicine come together to learn, to innovate, and gain experience. We aim to bring people from, as I mentioned, across the globe together to learn and gain experience.
Going to ACEM is always an honor. I see a lot of warm-hearted welcome. Scientific plenary and the scientific program is very much relevant. This is not just a conference, it's also about coming together, sharing ideas, meeting friends, and the learning is not just confined in the plenary halls. It's also during meetings in hallways, and I hope everybody coming from this conference will gain from the experience.
It's been an absolute pleasure to participate in ACEM 2025 in Dubai in collaboration between ACEM and ACEM. It's been such a wonderful event, seeing over 200 nationalities in one place, exchanging ideas, shaping the future of emergency medicine. It's been such an exciting experience.
On behalf of Taiwan Society of Emergency Medicine, I would like to say thank you and congratulations to ACEM for holding this very successful conference, Asian Conference on Emergency Medicine. And this is my first time to be in Dubai, UAE, and also in the Middle East. You really like this city, these countries. It's safe, clean, and efficient. And I'm glad that I have this opportunity to join the conference this year and look forward to meet colleagues around the world, around Asia, to join the next conference in 2028.
It has been a privilege and pleasure to serve in this role and really catering and crafting an amazing program together. We had 4 days of an amazing up-to-date emergency medicine content where we discussed all sorts of topics from trauma care, critical care, emergency medicine, and more importantly, how do we include advancing in technology in the care. So we would like to thank all of the international societies who supported this event.
Welcome to the 13th Asian Conference of Emergency Medicine by ACEM and ACEM. It's my pleasure to be here and with so many diversified topics which has been planned for the last 3 days, and prior to that there were enough workshops, 7 workshops, and the speakers from all over the Asian countries and the African countries and the American countries. So it was nice to interact with them.
It is such an honor to be here at ACEM25, at the first iteration of ACEM and ACEM's collaboration, and to be a part of the organization as always, and being invited as a speaker and a workshop director has always been nothing but a wonderful experience. This year was especially heavy in heart and emotional with the passing of my father in the last year. But ACEM and ACEM, as usual, have always stepped up to the plate, and it is such an honor to have been a part of being able to share the first award.
I really enjoyed the conference today, and this is my first time of coming here, and I got a chance to experience the desert dinner and also the wonderful activities that was organized by the organizing committees.
It's been great to be here in Dubai as part of the Asian Society of Emergency Medicine ACEM conference in collaboration with the Emirates Society of Emergency Medicine. It's fantastic to see our sponsors year on year supporting us and the growing list of sponsors in making it to be one of the biggest conferences in this part of the world. Nice to see delegates from across the world and across the whole of UAE and the Gulf and the North African regions participating, and such a wide and diverse spread of scientific criteria and presentations, including artificial intelligence and other technologies that is there, to make it one of the best conferences for people to come together, share their knowledge, learn from one another, and make new friendships and partnerships.